Okay, hello, this is the popcorn lab. This unidentified student is counting out 65 kernels of popcorn. Then said student will mass them out inside of a paper bag. Okay? The reason why you don't put all of them on the pan, this is called the pan, is that when you pop them, you're not going to be able to fit all 65 on the pan. So she's going to mass them up along with the bag. Essentially, you're going to, you don't have to, but according to the directions, you are going to mass the bag first and then mass the popcorn inside of the bag. And then we will fuse all these videos together. Okay, our student is done massing that out. I will put a, you can take that out. Don't move it though. We've got that as a mass. Remember, you've got to go to the nearest thousandth. Okay, so there it's on the 7, and you can see where it is right before the 3. Alright, so we've got the mass of the bag and the kernels inside. Let me show you what those are. We got a 10, a 7, and you can see where the rider is for that one. Remember, we've got to use this instrument to the best of its ability. Make sure you're rounding to where you should go. Not rounding, but writing down its most accurate thing. Okay, the seeds are going into the popper. The bag is going to catch the popped corn. So our student is going to put the bag around and then secure it with a piece of tape. She will pop it until it's all popped. Chances are very good that that at least 1 or 2 unpopped kernels will end up in the bag. When that happens, you have to fish into the bag and find the unpopped kernels and then put them back in until they pop, unless they burn or they've broken up, or if they've gotten cracked. That means the water's already come out of them. Okay, so that's the next step. So the popcorn has been popped. Our student is going through to see if there are any unpopped kernels, which there are. But if you take a look at this one and that one, they've already been broken open, so they're not going to pop at this point. These over here should go back in the popper. Okay? So our student is now putting the kernels, both popped and broken, back in. She's popped as many as are possible to pop. There's a couple more that she's got to put in from the popper, and then she's going to mass all of that on the scale, and that will do it. I'll give you the final reading here in a minute. So here's the final mass. We've got a 10, we've got a 6, and then the rider is right there. Make sure you're estimating to the nearest thousandth. Okay? All that's left is calculations that are right on the sheet. All right, bye.